Well, in North Carolina, way back in the hills, lived my old pappy and he had him a still. He brewed white lightning till the sun went down, and then he filled him a jug and he passed it around. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Shh, white lightning. Well, the G-Man, T-Man, revenuers too, searching for the place where he made his brew. They were looking, trying to book him, but my pappy kept on cooking. Shh, white lightning. Well, I asked my old pappy why he called his brew White Lightning instead of Mountain Dew. I took a little sip and right away I knew, 'cause her eyes plugged out and my face turned blue. Lightning started crashing, thunder started clashing. Shh, white lightning. City slicker see man, he said I'm tough. Think I wanna taste that powerful stuff. He took one sip and he drank it right down, and I heard him a moaning as he hit the ground. Mighty, mighty pleasing, pappy's corn squeezing. Shh, white lightning.